Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by gathering the replacement cylinder and the tools you need. A screwdriver set, 1/4 hex or Allen, pliers, and a wedge. Once ready, open the door and wedge it to prevent movement, and remove the strike plate screws only if they obstruct access. Next, insert the current key, turn it slightly to align the cam so you can pull the cylinder. This is the first actionable step. Make sure you keep track of screw sizes and orientation for reassembly. You now focus on extracting the old cylinder. Locate and remove the fixing screw on the door edge at the cylinder midline, then insert and slightly turn the key to align the cam. This unlocks the tailpiece. Once aligned, pull the cylinder straight out while wiggling gently to free it from the door. If it resists, retract the cam slightly and retry. Make sure to inspect the existing tailpiece and cam so you can match the new cylinder orientation and avoid binding when installing. You finish by inserting the new cylinder with the key in place and turning slightly to align the cam. Push it fully into the hole, then reinstall the fixing screw. Tighten snug but avoid over-tightening. Once done, test the lock with the door open. Perform 3 full turns of the key in both directions and cycle the handle to confirm smooth operation and strike alignment. If the lock is stiff or won't turn, loosen the fixing screw, realign the cam, and use graphite lubricant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.